Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share how to identify the speaker light from the general 16-pin Android head unit plug, which actually all of our head unit system using this one. Why we do this? Because in many times we want to upgrade the speaker with the amplifiers, or repair the wiring for the speaker line thing, or join it into the car that already has the wiring modified before. So we need to know where is the speaker line, which one is left, right, front and rear, and which one is negative and positive. So let's start with this one. Look at this, it is universal color code, so you cannot miss this one in the color. It has white and gray on the top here, and at the bottom it has purple and green. So we start with white and gray on the top first. The white one is the left speaker, okay, and the gray one is the right speaker, okay. So easy to go. Gray one is the right front speaker, front right speaker, and the white one is the front left speakers. And in each color it has two white. One of them is purely that color, which is this one, the pure white, and the second one will be with one black strip, which actually is the white and black strip, okay. So the pure white one will stand for positive power output for the speaker line, and the one with the black strip like this, white and black, is standing for the negative output of the speaker lines. That's how simple now, okay. And the same thing apply for the gray. The pure gray one will be the positive output of the speaker for the front right, and the gray black is the negative output for the front right. Now with the purple and the green, just turn this upside down and you will know the green one is the rear left speaker, and the purple one is rear right speaker. Done, okay. Green is the rear left speaker and purple is rear right speaker, okay. And from there you have also the pure green and black strip green, and pure purple and black strip purple one. All done. That's the same apply for the positive and negative output of the speaker lights. And from there, when you join with the speaker light like this, you don't have to make it so hard to remember. Whatever, if you think that the white one is for positive, then just remember that hooking this one from here to the speaker. And if you think that the red copper color is the positive, then the other one is negative. Just join it in and then run to the speaker, and that's about it, or run it to the amplifier. All right, so that's what exactly how we identify the speaker lights by the color code from the wiring. So I hope that this will help someone when you're doing the speaker upgrade or amplifier upgrade for the Android head unit system. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on another one.